and welcome to a new 2-minute tongue twister challenge. The tongue twister this week is Sam's shop stocks short spotted socks. Okay, so the two sounds that we're practicing this week are s and sh. So s is made with keeping your lips and teeth close together and blowing air out. So we don't use our voice box for either of these sounds. So for s, it's s, s. So the words that have this s sound in are Sam's, stocks, spotted, and socks. The other sound is sh. For this sound, you push your cheeks in a little bit and your lips come forward. Again, just blowing air out. Sh, sh. And the two words that have this sound are shop and short. So the whole tongue twister once more. Sam's shop stocks short spotted socks. Once more. Sam's shop stocks short spotted socks. Now, you try. So how did you go? Could you say this week's tongue twister? Sam's shop stocks short spotted socks. Keep practicing. Just a little bit of practice every day will help to improve your English pronunciation by working those English muscles. For lots more practice with tongue twisters, limericks, and many other things, you can head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym and do a workout any day, anytime. You can find the gym right here on my YouTube channel or at the Study HQ Cairns website. So head on over and do an English workout today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.